Hello there folks, this is Berrytude back with another video, and this is 2-minute talk about 5G. So let's get started. So the basic question is, how fast is 5G? 5G can deliver speeds up to 20 GB per second, which is way too much as compared with 15 MB per second speed of 4G networks. Although GSM Association and IEEE are yet to define any standards for 5G, but we can very well expect that transfer rate of 10 GB per second and better network coverage with more Internet of Things as basic standards. So you might want to know, how is 5G development going on? In October of 2014, Samsung Electronics set a world record by achieving a speed of 7.5 GB per second over a distance of 4.3 kilometers. But on 25th February 2015, the 5G IC at the University of Surrey broke the world record by achieving a speed of 10 TB per second, which is crazy fast. But as both the demonstrations by 5G IC and Samsung Electronics were in controlled environments, they have very less practical application. Here comes the test conducted by telecom giant Huawei and Japanese mobile operator NTT Docomo. They were able to demonstrate speeds up to 3.6 GB per second on many devices across the city at the same time. And this has more real life application, as there were many buildings and obstacles during the transmission, which is kind of a situation that we will get when we'll get 5G on our devices. So another important question is, when we can get 5G on our devices. According to many companies, they will be able to start the deployment of 5G networks by 2020 on large scale. But companies like Huawei, NTT Docomo and Verizon are preparing to deploy 5G networks on smaller scale by 2017, and also some pilot projects. So you can very well expect the hype of 5G networks around 2017. So please like this video if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more, as it will help me a lot. Later.